Right on. So we got the Cometic Head gasket and a.r.p head studs in just now. This is awesome, guys. We have all 10 studs in there. Some nuts and washers and the a.r.p assembly lube. Right on. And the gasket. Let's take a look at this thing real quick. So this is a multi-layer steel gasket. You can see there's 3 pieces there in total. And let me tell you guys, this is significantly stronger, like a whole lot stronger than the other gaskets that I was running in the car. So let's take a look at the other ones. These are graphite. They are 1 piece. Super cheap. And you get what you pay for. So this is going to help a lot with boost. And the water jackets are in a much better location. So let's finish cleaning this block up and get this studs in and the gasket in. Put this thing back together. So we're going to do a test fit on this gasket and make sure no rivets that hold these layers together are in the way from the block or the head. So let's fit that on there. So the one big difference about these gaskets, if you look at that OEM one with the arrow, see how those are connected there at this point, and there's a gap here. Well, I tried putting it on that way and the holes were not lining up whatsoever. And when I flipped it this way so that the rivet isn't so exposed, this single hole at the front lines up, and the 2 at the rear line up now. So same with the dowel pin. The dowel pin, I was blocked on that. I actually had it the other way. So we gotta get this cylinder head on there now. I've already gone ahead and cleaned everything up. New valve seals, lapped all the valves. Leave your cams out, well, at least one of them, because you'll have problems in this corner. It's just best to do it this way. Makes it a little bit lighter. May as well have your manifolds off too. So we're gonna put this in. So I've already gone ahead and got the timing belt and everything back together. I've spun it over a few times, checked the timing, it's still on, so I think we're good to go. I guess next step is to get all the little maybe coolant lines and everything plugged back together, because they'll kind of be hidden once I start putting more parts on there. So I went to a total of 65 foot-pounds for the a.r.p. Head stud nuts at the top. You want to just thread them in by hand and give them a slight little bump with the Allen key, nothing major. Well, that's going to sum this one up, guys. Got to get everything back together, get this thing fired up hopefully by the end of the night. And I did end up getting some drag slicks. They're 26-inch by 8.5s, 14-inch rim. Unfortunately, the rim won't fit, but I did buy them just for the tires. There seems to be lots of tread in here left, so they'll be good for a few passes. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. Cheers.